For homeowners in Glendale, comfort, efficiency, and value are always top priorities, especially when it comes to home improvement projects. One upgrade that delivers all three is energy-efficient windows. Designed to keep your home cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and more comfortable year-round, these modern windows are quickly becoming a must-have for Glendale residences. Whether you're replacing older windows or building a new home, here's why investing in energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Lower energy bills all year long. Glendale's warm, sunny climate means your air conditioner works overtime to keep your home cool. Unfortunately, older or poorly insulated windows can let cool air escape and allow outdoor heat to seep in, making your system work harder and your energy bills climb higher. Energy-efficient windows are engineered with advanced insulation features such as double or triple pane glass for superior thermal performance, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat instead of absorbing it, argon or krypton gas fills between panes to reduce heat transfer. These technologies work together to help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, so your cooling and heating systems use less energy. Over time, the savings on your utility bills can significantly offset your investment. Increased comfort in every season. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they make your Glendale home more comfortable. In summer, they help keep out the desert heat, while in winter, they trap warmth indoors. The result is a more stable, pleasant indoor temperature throughout the year. You'll also notice fewer hot or cold spots near your windows, allowing you to enjoy every room in your home without constant adjustments to the thermostat. Protection from Glendale's intense sunlight. Living in Glendale means enjoying plenty of sunshine, but that bright light can also cause fading and damage to your floors, furniture, and window treatments. Energy-efficient windows come with special UV-blocking coatings that filter harmful ultraviolet rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. This not only preserves your interior decor but also helps protect your skin and eyes from prolonged UV exposure. With these windows, you can enjoy Glendale's sunshine safely, without the harsh side effects. Noise reduction. For a quieter home. Glendale is a vibrant community with plenty of activity, but outside noise can easily disrupt your peace and quiet, especially if you live near busy streets or neighborhoods. Energy-efficient windows provide an unexpected benefit: sound insulation. Their multi-pane construction and airtight seals help block out exterior noise, creating a calmer, quieter living environment. Whether you're working from home or simply relaxing after a long day, you'll appreciate the improved tranquility. Environmental benefits and sustainability. By reducing the amount of energy your home uses for heating and cooling, energy-efficient windows also help reduce your carbon footprint. They make your home more environmentally friendly without sacrificing comfort or performance. For Glendale residents who value sustainability, upgrading your windows is a simple and effective way to make your household greener and contribute to a healthier planet. Boosted home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows are more than a practical upgrade, they're a strong selling point. Prospective buyers appreciate modern, well-insulated homes that promise lower energy bills and greater comfort. New windows also refresh your home's exterior, adding to its curb appeal. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance your property's look and efficiency, energy-efficient windows increase both beauty and resale value. Long-term durability and low-maintenance, high-quality energy-efficient windows are built to last. With durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, they resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, even under Glendale's hot, dry conditions. They also require minimal maintenance. A quick cleaning is usually all it takes to keep them looking and performing their best. With proper installation, these windows can last 20 years or more, providing reliable performance for decades. A smart investment for Glendale homeowners. Installing energy-efficient windows is more than just a home upgrade. It's an investment in your comfort, savings, and peace of mind. From lower utility costs to improved indoor air quality and increased property value, These windows deliver long-term benefits that Glendale homeowners can enjoy year after year. When you're ready to make the switch, choose a trusted Glendale window installation professional who understands the local climate and can recommend the best window options for your home. With expert installation and quality materials, you'll experience the difference that energy-efficient windows can make, inside and out.